Our climate is changing. Why aren't we?
Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're exploring the peace lily plant, a beautiful specimen known for its distinctive white flowers and remarkable air purifying capabilities, making it a standout choice for plant enthusiasts. Let's dive right into understanding the care conditions and growth aspects of this extraordinary plant. About the peace lily plant. The peace lily spathe-like is a beautiful and popular houseplant that belongs to the Aeraceae family. Known for its white flowers and dark green leaves, the peace lily is also considered an air purifying. History of the plant. The peace lily originates from the southeastern regions of America, particularly the Amazon. Over time, it has gained popularity worldwide due to the beauty of its flowers and its unique air-purifying capabilities. For scientific name, the scientific name of the peace lily is spathe-like. Care conditions. Temperature and humidity. The peace lily thrives in temperatures between 15–30 degrees Celsius and with moderate humidity. It is resistant to lower temperatures but doesn't prefer excessive cold. Soil. This plant performs best in soil rich in organic matter. It is recommended to use a mix containing organic soil and good aeration. Watering seed peace lilies require periodic watering. Water the soil when the top layer starts to dry, and if the soil is already moist, delay watering. Fertilizing W. Feed the plant with indoor plant fertilizer every 2 weeks from spring to fall to support its nutrition needs. Lighting, as peace lilies prefer indirect light to partial shade. Avoid direct sunlight to prevent sunburn on the leaves. Repotting time. Generally, it is reasonable to repot a peace lily every 2–3 years. However, pay attention to the specific needs of the plant and its environmental conditions and adjust the repotting time accordingly. Pruning the peace lily. Generally, it is reasonable to repot a peace lily every 2–3 years. However, pay attention to the specific needs of the plant and its environmental conditions and adjust the repotting time accordingly. Trimming old leaves. Trim the leaves that have aged or show signs of discoloration using a sharp knife or pruning shears. This practice provides the plant with extra energy to focus on newer and healthier leaves. Cutting faded flowers. Trim the flowers that have reached the end of their blooming period and have withered. This action stimulates the plant to produce newer blossoms. If the roots have grown out of the bottom holes of the pot, you can trim some of them. This helps prevent excessive root expansion. If your plant has become too large with an abundance of leaves, you can trim some of the leaves to redirect the plant's energy toward the growth of new leaves. Propagation methods. Peace lilies can be propagated through root division or using seeds from the parent plant. Late spring, or when the plant is emerging from dormancy, is the best time for root division. Pests and diseases. Peace lilies typically encounter minimal problems. However, some pests, such as scales and spider mites, may infest them. Organic insecticides or plant-friendly solutions can be used to address pest issues. Best location in the home. An area with indirect light, avoiding direct sun exposure, is suitable for peace lilies. They can be placed in rooms, offices, or even outdoor environments for short periods. But during colder seasons, it's advisable to bring them indoors. By following this guide, you can successfully care of different species of peace lily. Different species of peace lily spathe-like, belonging to the Araceae family, exist as shrubs and perennial flowering plants. Below, some of the various species and types of this plant are mentioned. Spathiphyllum wallacei. Aphyllum floribundum. Bathyphyllum stamino. Bathyphyllum canifolium. Spathiphyllum mayuna-loa. Spathiphyllum clevelandii.